Alright, so we just killed this bear this evening. I just want to take some time to walk you through how to load a bear hide in our load shelf. So I'm going to tear the pack apart, get the bear loaded in the load shelf, and then get it all reconfigured and ready to go for our hike down the hill. So we'll start with our load lifters. Simply disconnect those. Side compression's already undone there, but we'll undo these. Loosen up the bottom. And then we're going to come in here on the side and remove this internal tension lock, which holds the bag on the frame. We'll do that on both sides. Okay. Now my bag is ready to come off the frame. So I've got the load shelf opened up here. I'm going to loosen up the shelf itself. And set it about where I want it to ride. Okay. Alright. Get them tucked in there as best we can. Okay. So now I'm going to take the bag and go back over the top here. I'm going to start by reconnecting all my side compression straps. Just go ahead and snug up the bottom there. And then we'll go around and just tension our straps accordingly. Kind of like you would when you change a tire. We'll just start. There. Okay, so now the hide's pretty snug in there. We'll go back here first. Loosened up. Get a big mug there under the lid. Tension that back down. Okay. So now we're just going to make our final connection from the top of frame to top of bag, and then load lifter to top of frame. So if you do this right, you're gonna have a strap that goes from your shoulder strap to top of frame to top of bag. And we're gonna use our old load lifter connection here. Pull that tight. Pull that tight. And then we're just going to reconnect our load lifters. All right. Okay. Now we're ready to head down the mountain.